Right, as you've seen guys, I love my coffee. Yeah, every morning I look forward to a freshly made bean crunched up coffee. Yeah, I'm telling you, none of this already sifted stuff. Yeah, the smell and that aroma just gets me going in the morning, I'm telling you. But if you're someone that likes to be mobile and wants to get that same aroma, that same taste, that lovely rich coffee flavor, this is it guys, this is it. This is by a company called OutIn. Yep, OutIn, and they make wonderful portable coffee machines. Yeah, all the links will be in the description guys. They've got loads of different styles and types, but the one I've got here is their OutIn Mini Travel gift set. Yeah, this is the big boy. This is the one that's the bee's knees. Have a look at that guys, read the bump there, just a little bit of stuff that's inside, nothing much else going for the box except here. Have a look at that, pause the video if there's anything that you want to look at. I know there's not much here except designed by OutIn, yeah, which is very, very important. Okay, so let's get it out the box and see what actually comes in there. Wonderful box, I'm telling you. Very, very well made. Even the box is solid, I'm telling you. Oh, look at this guys, absolutely wonderful unboxing experience. I always like to check the quality of the unboxing because it always says how good the company is, their designers, their thought process, and their customer experiences they love to give. And definitely OutIn have given that to this product. It's got even a little envelope here with something. Let me open this up and see what's in there. Happy birthday to me or something. Nah, it's not. It's OutIn's bump. Read that at your leisure guys, pause the video. But the main thing with this, OutIn began with a simple idea: to make great coffee truly go anywhere. Wow, and they've definitely done that. Woo, look at this. Absolutely beautiful box, and a beautiful case inside this, I presume, because it feels lovely. OutIn name blazoned across there and on here. Absolutely beautiful, don't you think so guys? As you can see, it's definitely made for the outdoors. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. I'd hate to take this out and get it messy. Look at this, got these little straps here. You know when you got bags and things like that, they always put these straps here that you can hook it onto something or whatever, you know. So this is really made for the outdoors, there's no doubt about that, with a beautiful OutIn embossed branding there. Very nice. The quality, all touchy is very nice. Now let's see what's inside. Look at this. Okay, got another bag there with the OutIn branding there. You've got a lot of stuff going on in here. Let's get this out. I haven't read anything guys, as you may appreciate, so I'm just taking it out the box. I don't know what this is, but hey, designed by OutIn, emblazoned on it. So yeah, very solid metal, no cheap stuff here, I'm telling you guys. Very good quality. Right, let's see what's in the essentials kit here. That's just a little whatever. Sip, smile, connect. Okay, got to read what that is. You got your user guide here in 101 different languages. You got your QR code there so you can get an app maybe, or maybe some instructions, I don't know, but there's a QR code there if you want to scan that. So that's that. We've got your USB-C to USB-C because it is a portable espresso machine, so they're gonna need to charge the battery. It's got a battery in there, and you've got a tool here that will do whatever it's supposed to do, because I don't know so far. I'll check it later. And that's that box opened. Wonderful unboxing experience, I must say, and absolutely feels really heavy. Ooh, this is solid. Beautiful case also with the OutIn branding there. OutIn everywhere, look. out in here, out in there, out in everywhere. Right, oh, this is absolutely wonderful. This is the main gubbins that you're going to need to use, guys. Let's have a look at this. That's your USB-C port there to charge the battery. Is it 3000 milliamps there? I think so. I'll tell you the factual milliamps when I get there, but that's what it says there. Let me get close so you can read it for yourself, guys, and yeah, make sense of that. Let's open this. Oh, look at that. Oh god, I don't know how it works, but there's the on and off button there. There's a light there that switches on to tell you something that is on. Let's put this back. If it will go back, that's it. So that's the espresso machine itself, and I presume these are all the bits and bobs that you'll need to make your espresso. So let's put these here. Let's get them out so you can see them properly. And there they are, guys. These are all your espresso bits, accessories that you're going to need to make a lovely espresso. So that's it, I presume. Nothing else in the box. That's just for you to put your stuff back in. There's straps here. Wow, this case is amazing. It's got a lot of stuff in it, innit? Better not take it apart because I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how to put it back. So yeah, there's a load of straps and pulleys and look at that in there. Well constructed. So yeah, that's everything out of this wonderful case. So what I'm gonna do now is find out how this thing works. Because it doesn't look straightforward to me. But what I might do, I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm not going to show you myself, yeah? I'm going to get the professionals of OutIn to show you how to make a wonderful espresso using this portable espresso kit. Yeah, I'm telling you, it's absolutely wonderful. And check this out, guys. It just sits in nicely with what I've got here. Have a look at this. I've got a camping table here. Look at this. That's my camping table. I've taken the legs off. It does come higher. I've just kept it low for the filming, yeah. But yeah, it can go higher with with a cup, with a few extendable legs there. And I've got the gazebo up. Look at this. Yeah, this is all outdoor stuff here, I'm telling you. Look, I've got my bike there that I can ride around if you're in a park somewhere or wherever you decide to go. It's got netting on it. This is the best gazebo I've ever had, I'm telling you. Very, very well made. Easy to put up, easy to take down. Look at the netting, guys. Very, very fine netting there to keep those critters out and bugs and flies, etc. while you're having something to eat. Really, really good. All the links will be in the description, guys. Check it out if you want one. It was about 99 quid, something like that, 100 quid. This wonderful, wonderful gazebo. Check it out. And with the table and the OutIn Espresso portable coffee machine, yeah, you can't beat this setup, I'm telling you. Anyway, check out the next section, which will be how to use the thing. This will be done by the professionals OutIn, and I'll come back to you after to show you how I use it and yeah, and how it tastes. Okay. Right guys, that is me set up. I'm ready to press that button. Yeah, look, I've got it all ready to press. I've done everything. Yep, I've got it all set up, ready to rock and roll. Hopefully you've watched the setup and how to use it from the professionals, which are OutIn themselves. And yeah, watch it a few times guys, just to make sure you get it in the right order. But anyway, I've done it. I've got it all set up. I could have used the cup, but I didn't. This is the cup that I could have put underneath there. Let me take this out here. I could have had it in here, yeah, screwed that in there, and then obviously, but I've decided to put it in my own cup and use this wonderful stand. Look at it, it's beautiful, beautiful solid metal. I'm telling you, very, very good quality. Wow, that's all you keep hearing me saying about this OutIn Mino travel gift set. And this bit here, that's what you use if you've got a capsule. This is a capsule thing, so I didn't use that obviously. I used my Brixton Blend from the Black Farmer shop in Brixton. Yeah guys, hey, wonderful, wonderful. So I'm gonna try it with the OutIn Mino travel gift set, yeah guys, and see how it tastes coming out of there. But anyway, and then this is the basket removal tool. Now I know what it is. And this is the dosing funnel, this bit here, and this is the spoon and tamper. That's where you scoop your level of Brixton Blend, yeah, put it in there, and then you can close this handle and use it as a tamper to tamp it down. And then, as I said earlier, this is the cup if you wish to use this cup to drink from, if you haven't got a cup already, which I have. And I've got a double walled cup there that keeps that coffee nice and warm. Yeah guys, you can see I'm a bit of a coffee connoisseur. Yeah, I know how to drink it, but I'm not too hot on how to get it all set up. But anyway, okay, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna press that button and see what comes out of it. Oh, one thing I forgot to tell you guys while I was here, this is where you put your water, but that screws off, that's the top there, and then you put your water in there and then you screw that down. I won't do it now, just in case it all spills over, and then my video will look kind of yeah, a bit messy, so I'm gonna leave it. But that's the water inlet there, cold or hot water, so it doesn't really matter, because as you know, it's got a battery that will heat up the water anyway. Okay, so let's press it and see what happens. So what I'm gonna do, you press this button for 2 seconds and I should hear a beep. Did you hear that guys? Now let's see what happens here. Okay guys, that was all done automatically. Once I switched it on, it done its thing, and all I've got to do is take this out. Yep, I'll put it in here. That will hold it there. That was the other cup. And this is my espresso. Look at that guys. Look at the crema on there. Hopefully I've pronounced that right. Look at it, there's so much of it. Starbucks, yeah, no need for Starbucks guys. Yeah, you got this one. Brixton Blend No.4 medium roast of, I didn't show you the back did I, 100% Arabica ground coffee, yeah, from Cameroon and Brazil. Wow, okay. Wonderful. Now I need to get a sip of this. Wow, absolutely wonderful. Yeah, made by OutIn. Yeah, okay. There's quite a few other portable models in the range, but this is the top of the range. This is the gift set, yeah, but they all do the same thing. All the links will be in the description guys, obviously. Hopefully there will be a discount code there, I'm sure there will be. Thank you OutIn for giving my viewers a discount code, and until you get one and my next video, I will catch you guys later.